What is this called? Pillow. What is this called? Bed. What is this called? Bookshelf. What is this called? Lamp. What is this called? Armchair. What is this called? Blanket. What is this called? Closet. What is this called? Hanger. What is this called? Rug. What is this called? Mirror. What is this called? Sponge. What is this called? Clothespin. What is this called? Broom. What is this called? Bucket. What is this called? Cleaning cloth. What is this called? Trash bag. What is this called? Spray bottle. What is this called? Laundry basket. What is this called? Clothesline. What is this called? Hanger. What is this called?
Thermos.
What is this called?
Sculpture.
What is this called?
Ladder.
What is this called?
Keychain.
What is this called?
Teapot.
What is this called?
Magnifying glass.
What is this called?
Toolbox.
What is this called?
Globe.
What is this called?
Hourglass.
What is this called?
Hammock.